what we do. There are two basic footwork patterns. Two that forms the basis of all Filipino martial arts footwork patterns. Okay, and we call it the triangle footwork pattern. We very rarely do any circular motions, stuff like that. We use triangular motions as opposed to any square motions or anything. Actually, a triangle is just a squeezed square. You want to talk about it. So this is called a male triangle. So there's all guys. You know, it's like a dick squirting out in front of you. So it's male.
I'll edit that out of what I
Very
send to
valid,
you.
right? Female is just the opposite. Woman with legs open, right? Right. So that's a female triangle. That's the difference. That's all you have to remember. Woman with her leg open, female triangle. Male triangle. Going forward, thrusting forward. Okay. There's two ways to do these footworks in both cases. We can replace at the apex with a male triangle, which I was showing you in this drill. You can also replace at the base. Now, there's a very unrhythmic way of doing it, which is the way I'm doing it, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Actually, it's 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we replace at the base same way. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's very unrhythmic, okay, and it doesn't give you any sense of lightness to your drill, okay. And that's basically one way to learn it, okay. And that's the same way if we do the female triangle, which is again the same way. We can go in here. So we can go here and replace at the base. Okay, same way. Or again, we can replace at the apex. We can do it either way. Okay, using the female triangle or the male triangle. Okay, it just gives you a concept of your footwork. Now, if you want to get a little more advanced, there's a rhythmic way of doing it. We have to add one more step. So we're going to go. If we do at the apex, we do a half step there. So. Up. Displace your weight. Take a half step. In other words, I replace my carry. This is more rhythmic. It's almost like boxing. It makes you stop being so solid. Stop stepping so hard on the ground. You want to be light. If you want to learn how to be light on your feet, you got to remember to bring this up, almost like dancing, right? See, now I made too long of a step. It's hard for me to do this one. Okay, so you got to keep kind of a light way. You can also do it the other way when you were replacing at the back here. Okay. Okay, so those are different ways of doing it. One's a little more advanced, one's a little more. There's 3 steps as opposed to 2 steps. The first way is 2 steps, which was either way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It doesn't matter how you count it. 1, 2, 1, 2. The other one is 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And if we do it at the front, it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And they even ritualize. Some of them do it. It's called a chicken step. They do it this way. They rock back and forth, which is too silly for me, so I won't do it that way. Okay. And again, if we do it at the base of the female triangle, again, when we're doing the female triangle, we can again do the same thing. Okay, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What it teaches you, for us guys that are real heavy, teaches us to be lightweight on our feet, learn how to bounce, be a little bit quicker. Why is that? You got to be real quick when you're working with a blade. If you're fighting somebody that's got a 20-inch blade that's razor sharp, you want to be able to scramble those feet real quick. You don't want to be planted on the ground saying, I'm going to stop anything that's going to come at me. Well, you might think you can stop. There has been in history, actually written documentation, right, where a Filipino Moro Barong has cut through a Springfield rifle. Okay, just go bang like that, and they'll cut it. you think you can, there's actual documentation where they just, guys do a bayonet thrust and more goes wham, and just cut the Springfield rifle in half and come back. So,
Tom, bring your Springfield in, I'll try with my barrel.
so there's actually with Chris too, where they've actually cut the Springfield rifle in half. Okay, not here.